to preview your 360 or VR videos in Davinci Resolve on a headset, you need to do the following.
Follow me into custody. You are under arrest.
Drag an adjustment clip above your timeline and drag it out. Go into Fusion. In Fusion you go on to Fusion settings, and then you go into the VR headset menu, and here you can choose, if you have Oculus, you choose Oculus, anything else will be OpenVR, and then you need to open Oculus Link or Steam VR if you haven't already. And then if you hover over the third dot, you will see the OpenVR preview or Oculus Link for you if you have an Oculus device, and then the window for OpenVR will pop up and you can watch your 360 video on your headset just like that. Unfortunately, this workflow only works in Fusion for now, but I hope this will be implemented soon somehow into the edit page. And what I really would wish for, taking this position and rotation data and putting it into a rotator and panner plugin for ambisonic mixing. Oh, speaking of ambisonics, I have a whole video that shows you how to get your 360 sound done completely in the Fairlight page.